Let's flip to Excel and open the Conditional Summing Basics workbook. Exercise 1. Here, we need to create a report based on the data. We'll use the SUMIFS function to compute the subtotals for each account. So, equal SUMIFS, add up the amount column. Since we're going to fill the formula down, we lock down the reference with the F4 key. Only include those rows where the account column, since we'll fill the formula, we lock down the reference, is equal to our account. Close the function, and before we hit enter, let's review. We want to add up the amount column and only include those rows where the account column is equal to our account. Hit enter. Good. Fill the formula down to complete the report. And the crowd goes wild. I know, right? Let's have even more fun and use the SUMIFS function with a table. Exercise 2. Here, we want to create a report based on the data. The data is stored in a table named TBL_export. Our report needs to reflect the subtotals by account and by name. SUMIFS can easily handle this task. Equal SUMIFS, add up the table's amount column, only include those rows where the account column is equal to our account, and where the name column is equal to our name. Close the function, and before we hit enter, let's review. Add up the amount column. The remaining criteria arguments come in pairs. Only include those rows where the account column is equal to our account and where the name column is equal to our name. Hit enter, and got it. Fill the formula down to complete the report. Now, let me ask you a question. Could we use the SUMIFS with 3 different conditions? You can, and you will, when you work through the remaining homework exercises. And that, my friend, is the basic idea behind conditional summing. Just remember the phrase, add up this column of numbers, but only include those rows where this column is equal to this value.
This video is a production of Excel University.